Hello everyone, welcome back to the Postmate client. In this video, we learn how to send the same API request with multiple sets of data using a data table in Postmate client. As we saw in the previous video, we learned how to import a curl command into the Postmate client. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. The link is in the description of this video. Also, please note that the data table feature shown here is available only in the Postmate client and not in other tools. Let's move to today's topic and see how to use the data table feature. First, let's look at the request. In this request, we are using variables like base URL, pet ID, pet name, category ID, tags ID, and status. All these variables and their values are defined inside the test environment. Now, when we send this request, it uses only one set of data, which is currently saved in the environment variables. But what if we want to send the same request multiple times with different data? That's where data tables come into play. To send a request with multiple sets of data, we need to create a CSV file. Create a new file with the extension .csv. In the first row, write all the variable names as column headers. For example, base URL, pet ID, pet name, category ID, tags ID, and status. In the rows below, add multiple sets of data. Save the file. Now let's import this CSV file into Postmate client. Click on Environment, click on the menu icon, select Import Data Table. Choose the CSV file from your system, click on Import. That's it. Your data table is now imported into Postmate client. Since we are using the test environment, let's attach the data table to it. Click on Test Environment, select Data Table, click on Attach, and click on Save button. Now, the data table is successfully attached to the test environment and we are ready to use it. Now go back to your request. Click on the Select Data text box. You will see all available data sets from the data table. Select any one dataset. Click on Send. The request is now sent using the selected set of data. If you want to send a request with data not present in the data table, select any existing dataset, edit the values manually, click on Send. Your request will be sent using this new custom data, even though it's not stored in the data table. We can also execute a collection using multiple sets of data. Here's how. Go to the collection. Click on the three-dot menu, select Run Collection. You'll now see all the requests in the collection. You can select or unselect requests as needed. For example, if you want to execute only one request, select that request and unselect the others. Then, select the environment, select the data table, click on the Run button. Here, data table contains 7 sets of data. The request will execute 7 times, once for each data set. As you can see, every execution uses a different set of data. This is how you can send the same request with multiple sets of data using data tables in Postmate client, both for individual requests and for collection runs. Thank you for watching.